Welcome to Crystal Falls Stadium. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Worcester Red Sox. First pitch coming your way next. Almost ready to get underway, and on the hill in this one, Chase Sugar. But Chris, he hasn't exactly been stellar here on his home mound.
Well, I'll say this. Every player wants to perform well at their home ballpark, in front of their fans, in front of the city. And you know this guy no different. He wants to be more effective here. So, you look at the numbers. They haven't been great at home. I'm sure he wants to turn that around, and we'll see if he's able to start that in this one.
Swing and a miss. No balls, 2 strikes.
I think he was sitting off speed there.
Hacks and misses. It's a strikeout.
Well, it can be so tough as a hitter to pull yourself out of an extended slump, one that lasts for several games, even a week or more. Right now, he's really in one, so I'm sure his mind is all over the...
As we go to the top of the 4th. So here's Brown at the plate. Now the right-hander ready to go. Still no score. Swing and a miss. Strike 1. Just missed. Here's a 1-1. Swings and sends a rocket to right. And a quick out, number 1. So now here's the DH, Catfish Brown. Brown, only 18 years old, and he was a 3rd-round pick in 2023. And the right-hander deals. This one chopped on the ground, but foul. The next pitch misses, and that's ball 1. Broken bat, and it's popped up. He's there. He's got it. And there's 2 away. Now batting. So digging in, Catfish Brown. The batter, the designated hitter, Catfish Brown. And that one gets past the catcher. And on the wild pitch, he goes down to 3rd. No outs, runner over at 3rd. Swing and a miss. And the count even at 1. The 1-1 is fouled off.
Hey, no one batting right here.
And the righty deals. And that one is inside.
There you go. See it up. Let it fly.
That's ripped, and this one could be extra bases. In comes the runner from 3rd, and now just a 2-run deficit. And he's got a double.
Well done. Narrows the deficit with the RBI there. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. Hitters, they take so many reps in the cages working on going to the opposite field, and it doesn't always translate into the game, but right there it did, and he did it perfectly.
And now the first baseman, Andres Chaparro, 1 for 2. And the pitch. Got him swinging for the strikeout. He swung over top of the curveball.
Man, I really like the ability to bounce back right there after not getting the call he probably should have gotten. He didn't let it affect his focus, and he came back with another good pitch to get him swinging.
Lefty continues to work, but the closer getting loose in the bullpen. Out to short, Hamilton. And that is out number 2.
Good arm side run to that same side hitter right there. Very difficult to put that ball in the air or get through it. Just bores in on the hands.
Tyler Hardman getting ready to hit. 1 for 3. The tying run at the plate. This ball's chopped on the ground. Gets it to first. That ends the inning and stops things from getting out of hand. So they pick up.
Well, a 3-pitch save. This guy might feel cheated a little bit. Gets in the ball game, wants to show off his arsenal, and really didn't get that opportunity. But I think he'll take it. Whenever you can get that save and do it efficiently, he'll be ready to pitch tomorrow.
And your final 3-1 for Chris Singleton and our entire. And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. AAA Baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Worcester Red Sox. First pitch coming your way next. All right, just about set to go. And today's starting pitcher, Brandon Walter. Lots of punch-outs, a real strikeout artist, Singy.
Well, he tried to make it through the 5th inning last time out, but the pitch count just got too high. He ended up taking the loss. That's one of those you just have to shake it off, come back out today, and try to throw a gem.
Catfish Brown, batting with 1 down, takes a strike. Oh, and 2 as he waves at that one.
Well, he just threw that fastball by him, elevated, and if you're not looking up in that location, very difficult to catch up to, especially with that velocity.
And a foul ball, he stays alive.
Hey, 1 pitch. Make it yours.
Man at second. That's foul off to the right side, keeps the AB going. 1 out and a runner at second. Swings and misses. It's a strikeout. Couldn't catch up to the heater.
Oh, this guy's been pretty much a non-factor so far this weekend. Very little in the way of impactful at-bats and quality.
So here's Brown at the plate. Struck out swinging his first time.
The designated hitter. Catfish. Wow.
Part of the order coming through now, and with 1 home run already in this inning, they're definitely looking to do some more damage.
Comes up empty on the swing. 0-2 now. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Couldn't catch up to the heater.
Just overmatched on that fastball right there, and it was.
So 2 on with 2 away. Now it's the DH, Catfish Brown, who's 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts. Bounced out to short. Meyer whips it across. Inning over, and it could have been worse. 1 run in the inning, but they leave 2. We're midway in the 4th. The 1 down. And now here is Catfish Brown. That one missed. Swing and a ball hit out towards left center field. And no one can get there. And that's going to roll to the wall. Now around second, going for third. Not in time. He's safe.
Well, the last 10 games or so have been anything but fun at the plate for him, so that one has to feel good. Man, that feels so good to shoot an absolute bolt the opposite way. Split the gap and know that you've got extra bases right off the bat. That's the kind of thing hitters dream about when they're falling asleep at night. A chance now to take the lead, and at this point in the game, that could be a deciding run.
Swings through it, and that's a strikeout.
Well, that's a huge strikeout right there. Big second out. Infield was in. They were playing the full court press, and he got the swing and miss. Keeps this one tied. This next at bat should be a lot of fun. The odds of wiggling out of this just went up considerably.
The 0-1. Line drive. Could be extra bases. Runner from third in to score. And it's now 5-4. And in its second with an RBI double. Well, he delivers in a huge spot right there.
Well, he's so dialed in. I don't think he even realizes how much pressure exists out there. Very easy swing.
One down, runner at first. Next is the DH, a switch hitter, Catfish Brown.
Hey, no one better. Need it right here.
That's in there, and it's 0-1. Right-handed reliever. Swing and a pop-up in foul ground. Fitzgerald makes the grab, 2 down. And the final here today, 9-8. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show, I'm John Shambi saying so long. And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Worcester Red Sox. And we'll be back with the first pitch right after this. All right, just about ready for baseball. On the hill and coming off a great start, number 68. And Chris, he's a guy that gets better when things get tough.
Yeah, his batting average against is actually better when he's in a jam. So we'll see if he continues to dance his way out of danger.
Marcelo Meyer at the plate now. That's ball 1.
Come on, guys.
Misses off the inside. 2 balls, no strikes. Foul ball. The 2-1. Left field. Calhoun settles under it. Hauls it in, and there's one away. Here's the center fielder, Tyler McDonough. That's in there. Strike 1.
One out. One out.
That's through there for a strike. And 1-2.
That pitch is out.
Strike this guy out.
One down, base is empty. Fights it off, he'll see another. One, 2 now. And down on strikes he goes. And here this afternoon, 2 quickly away in the bottom of the first. Here's Christian Arroyo, one of the stars in the win yesterday, as he had 3 hits. First pitch doesn't find the zone.
2 down now.
And there's a foul ball. Ball to strike. Just missed.
2 balls, 1 strike.
Just missed. And it's filled up.
Count full.
In the air, right field. McKinney gets under it. And the inning is over. An inning in the books. No score here on the show. Welcome back. And here is Nico Cavadas.
The first baseman, Nico.
Brown back to work. That one to first. Fair ball. And now it rolls all the way to the wall.
Well, that started and ended pretty quickly. No messing around right there. Just a cookie down the middle. I mean, those are the ones you dream about. The ones in the cage, you're just hoping you get in the ball game. Right down the middle, not a whole lot of velocity, right on top of it.
Now here is Devlin Granberg. And that's in there for strike one.
Hey, ground right here.
Now 1-1. Nobody out. Runner at first. So now 1-2.
With two strikes. May see some movement over there at first base. Try to stay out of a double play here.
Grounder might be two. Quickly to second for one. How about that double play?
Got what he was looking for on the mound right there, and his infielders took care of business. Pretty textbook execution between short and second to turn that into 2 outs.
And here's the catcher, number 69. First offering in the dirt. Second inning here, no score. That one's in there. Strike one. Swing and a miss. Looked off balance that time. The wide to kick the pitch. That misses. 2 balls, 2 strikes to count with 2 outs. Stays alive. The other way, and it goes just foul. Kicks and fires. Spoils that one, and it remains 2-2. And a pitch. Here's a rocket out to left. Calhoun makes the grab, and that'll end the inning. We'll move to the third with no score. Back here at the ballpark as we go to the last of the third. And now the DH, Ryan Fitzgerald. The right-hander back to work. Fitzgerald, 28 years old. He's usually a third baseman, but today he's the designated hitter. And the 1-0. That one pulled foul.
A little bit of a day off for him. Instead of being at the hot corner, he can just kind of put the batting gloves on, hold the bat as he sits on the bench waiting for his time to hit.
Ground ball left side and foul ball. Lifted in the air, right center field. And out number 1 on the grab.
Batting 8, the left fielder, Catfish.
So up next, number 27.
Hey, get ahead, stay ahead right now.
And that is in for a strike. It's 0-1.
Now, this guy is just filling up the strike zone right now. Don't want to get yourself in an 0-2 hole. You better be ready to pull the trigger on the first pitch.
On the ground. Throws to first. And 2 straight set down to begin the bottom of the third.
The third baseman, Caleb.
So 2 down now. And here is Caleb Hamilton. Hamilton hitting 9th in today's lineup. He's been scoring a lot of runs lately. He scored 9 times in the last 10 games. Next one misses, and that's ball 2. Line drive, base hit. And it bangs up against the wall. The throw into second, in there safely.
Well, patience and discipline paid off right there as he got into an advantage count. That pretty much split the zone down the middle, and those are the ones where you got to make them pay. Runner in scoring position now, and a good opportunity to push across the first run of the ballgame.
Swing and a high fly ball out there towards left field. Calhoun flashes the leather on the run and catch. On to the 4th, still scoreless. And welcome back. Ready to go, bottom 4. Leading off, Tyler McDonough. Brown back to work. And that one just misses. A ball and no strikes. The other way, and that's just foul.
Come on, guys.
Ball to strike, the pitch. And that's outside.
2 balls, 1 strike.
And another ball.
Expect for that guy to come right at you with a fastball, something in the zone, because he does not want to allow the leadoff walk.
Fouls one away, and now 3-2. And here it comes. Swing and a miss, struck him out. Pulled the string on the changeup.
He's locked in at the plate when he's using the whole field. He was out in front there. Just needs to let the ball travel a little more, and his timing will be back on track. Good pitch for the strikeout.
Now it's the second baseman, Christian Arroyo. First pitch, and that's in for a strike.
0-1's the count.
Here we go. Here we go.
Ball 1 there. Line to left. No trouble here. Puts it away for the out. And there are 2 outs.
The first baseman.
And here's the first baseman, Nico Cavadas. 1 for 1 with a single so far. Rolled softly, but that goes foul. Now the 0-1. And a big swing and a miss.
2 strikes.
Swing and a ground ball out to short. On to first. That's the 3rd out. Nothing doing here this half. On to the top of the 5th we go. The Rail Riders out front here, 1-0. Welcome back. We head to the bottom of the 5th. And now the right fielder, Devlin Granberg. And he deals. And that's in for a strike.
Well, after scoring runs, this is where you're looking for that shutdown inning. Get that hot team back in there to swing the bats.
Ripped on the ground to second. Over to first. 1 up, 1 down.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air. Lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
And now the catcher comes up to hit. Number 69. He's 0 for 1. And first offering is fouled off.
Well, on the mound, very efficient, able to produce an outcome, it seems like, within the 3rd or 4th pitch of just about every at bat.
The 0-1 is outside, and it's a ball and a strike.
1 down here, fellas.
And downstairs. Close, but called a ball. And now 3 balls and a strike. He swings and fouls one off. In the dirt. Slings to first. 2 up, 2 down.
Now batter, the designated hitter, Ryan.
And the batter now, Ryan Fitzgerald. He's 0 for 1. Splits the plate. Strike 1. They say you win.
Looking sharp, just a strike away from 5 shutout innings.
And down on strikes. And good work there as he gets a 1-2-3. Nothing doing for the offense that time. 5 innings complete. The Rail Riders have the lead 3-0. Bottom of the 6th. Here's the left fielder, number 27.
The left fielder, Catfish.
The pitch. Way high.
1-0.
He's at first now.
And that one is lifted in the air. That's down. One hops off the wall. Into second easily with a leadoff double.
He was all over that one. Put a really nice balanced swing on it. And when you can rope one into the gap like that, you're thinking extra bases from the first couple of steps out of the box. And he'll feel real good about that one. Could be a chance here for them to start clawing back into this ball game.
Hamilton, the next to hit, takes ball 1. Doubled in his first AB. Out towards right center field. Diving, can't get it, base hit. Stop sign goes up at third. Runners at the corners, nobody out.
Now batting, shortstop, Marcelo.
So digging in, Marcelo Meyer. And he swings and misses at the initial offering.
Hey, now gets ground ball. Turn 2 for you right here.
Swing and a miss as he was late.
And it really looks like these hitters have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent slider, but they've not been able to commit to one velocity and stay there. I always remember watching Johan Santana pitch, and when he was in his prime, you would see.
Bounced up the middle. Knocks it down.
Back against the wall with 2 strikes, but found a way. He got that front foot down, and pitch recognition was on point. Pretty impressive for an 0-2 count. And you can feel this crowd waking up a bit.
Not in time. He's safe. And it's second and third with nobody out.
Well, Boog, it's already been a tough start to this inning as it is, and that wild pitch is going to make things even tougher. 2 men in the scoring position now, still with nobody out. So this really becomes a strikeout situation on the mound.
Righty to the plate. This one kicks away a little as he can't squeeze it. And an excellent job keeping it right there.
Hey, come on, guys. Let's go. Gotta hold him.
Ripped to short. Throws across the diamond. 1 away as the second run of the inning scores. Here's the second baseman, Christian Arroyo.
Christian Arroyo.
Ball 1.
The 1-0. And he pumps it a strike.
Well, we call that keyholing. Even though it's right there and looks pretty good, if he doesn't love it, he's not going to swing that early in the count.
That one down.
Meyer, the runner at second with 1 away. Next one off the plate inside. And the count is 3-1. Liner caught at second.
Now batting, first baseman, Nico.
Next to hit, Nico Cavadas. 1 for 2. First pitch just misses.
Ball 1, no strike.
The throw to first, and that'll do it. 2 runs, 3 hits, no errors, and 1 left. 7th inning coming up. The Rail Riders have the advantage, 5-2. So out of the pen comes the right-hander, Art Warren. He last pitched 2 days ago.
Number 97, Art Warren.
Sometimes road trips can be tough. You're away from your family, but when you can win, silence that opposing crowd, it makes things just a little bit better, makes the road trip just a little bit shorter.
And your final 6-2.